Hi future freelancers, welcome to day 2 of our journey in becoming successful freelancers. I am Ayap Sharma and I am Students Career Transformation Mentor. Now in this video, I am going to discuss a very important crucial element of becoming a true freelancer and a successful freelancer, that is self-reflection and skills assessment. Now let's begin our video by understanding the meaning of self-reflection. Self-reflection means you need to understand what are the skills that you have, what is the knowledge you have, and in which areas you are very much naturally good at. So you need to understand. Most of the students are very much good at some of the skills. They have knowledge in a particular domain, but they really don't understand how to implement that in the real-time application. So for this to happen, you need to take the action and you have to do one simple activity, and I will explain that activity how to do. And if you all follow that activity, then it becomes very easy for you to understand what are the skills that already you have, what are the skills that are hidden within yourself, and what are the domains where you are very much good at, and what are the areas where you have more knowledge. All those things becomes very easy. So the activity is very simple. Take a piece of paper and pen and you have to write what are the skills that you already have. These skills could be anything. It could be technical skills, it could be non-technical skills, it could be soft skills, it could be personality related skills, anything it could be. But you need to understand what are the skills that you already have, what are the skills that you know and you can do something in the real time, and what are the areas that you are very much good at. You need to list it on a paper. Some of you may be thinking that I am not good at anything, I did not have much knowledge, I did not have the skills to use in the real time. Then don't worry, you have some knowledge, you have skills, and you have to believe that, and I believe you. And to make it very easily and to put it in a simple terms, I will help you in understanding what are the top 5 categories that everyone are using in the freelancing domain. Category 1, that is technical skills. Technicals could be any category, like you may have software technical skills, or you may have hardware technical skills, anything it could be. If you consider software skills, I can say that you have certain coding techniques, graphic designing, and designing of websites, designing of mobile applications. You can give support to certain companies, support to an individual person, that I mean software support. You have certain knowledge on hardware tools of designing something. You know how to maintain certain machineries and tools. You have some idea on UI and UX designing, and you know how to maintain database. You are a data scientist. You know certain artificial intelligence tools, which means that AI tools like ChatGPT, any tools that are related to photography, video making, documents making, all these tools you have certain knowledge. All these skills comes under the category 1, that is technical skills category. Now let's understand category 2, that is health related skills category. We have so many skills which are related to health. You may be fitness expert, you know how to reduce overweight. You are a nutrition, you can suggest some food habits to others. You are a dietitian and you suggest certain kinds of diet to others. You are a qualified, certified and registered doctor. It could be allopathy, ayurveda or homeo, anything it could be, and you suggest medications to others. You may be a psychologist, or maybe a psychiatrist, or you may be a counselor. So you can choose anything, and all these skills belongs to the category of health. Sometimes it may be physical health and as well as a mental health. If you have knowledge on any of these skills that I have mentioned which are related to health, then you are ready to go as a freelancer. The third category and the most important category for most of the students, that is networking. Networking means making the connections with others and making all together. That is called networking. And there are so many skills in the category of networking, that is you can make YouTube videos, you may be a traveler or maybe a YouTube blogger, or you know how to design posters, flyers, logo designing, graphic designing, animation, photography, how to edit photos, how to maintain social media networks of certain companies or an individuals, how to enhance a brand of a company or a brand of a person. All these skills comes under the category of networking. If you have any of these skills, then it becomes very easy to become a freelancer, and it becomes very easy to earn through your skills. The fourth category is the business world. You know, even in the business world, there are so many skills that you can utilize and you become a true freelancer. Like, you know how to sell a product, marketing of a product, automation in industry, SEO, how to develop web applications and mobile applications for companies, how to generate leads and convert the leads, and you have knowledge on HR support, you can supply manpower, knowledge on finance and accounting, you can give admin support. All these things, all these skills belongs to business world category. If you have any idea of these skills, then you can enhance your skill and you can start your freelancing journey. The fifth and last category for today's video, that is arts category. There are so many skills which are related to arts. Most of the students think that arts will not come under freelancing. You cannot do anything if you have the skills in the arts, but there are so many freelancers and they are very much successful in delivering their skills in the domain of arts. You may be a singer, you may be a dancer, you can sing any song for others, you can compose a dance, you may be a voiceover, you can give voiceover to anyone, you can write any song, you can give voiceover for audio books, you are a sound engineer, you can design some sound effects, you are a DJ expert, and you can do audio editing. So all these things comes under the category of arts. In this category there could be so many variations, like you may belong to certain genre, you may belong to certain language, anything you can belong to, and you can choose that particular skill and you can start your freelancing career. And I hope you all understood what are the different categories that top freelancers are using in this generation, and they are making lots of money through their skills. And you have to understand your skill belongs to which category, and if you are very much clear about this, then we are good to go and we start our freelancing journey. So today is day 2 and you understood the different categories of freelancing, and from next day onwards we go deeper into these categories and understand which exactly that is very much suitable for you, and you start that skill and you start enhancing knowledge in that skill and you use that skill for freelancing. As I already said, every day you will have some action of the day, and if you follow this condition, then only you truly become a successful freelancer. So action of the day is, as I said earlier of the video, you need to mention all your skills. You need to mention at least 10 skills that you have and that belongs to the categories that we have discussed. And after listing all those skills, please do mention top 3 skills in the comments, and also please share, subscribe and comment on this video.